Yeah. The midnight whispers through the phone line. Your voice cuts through the silence like a spark. It's been too long since we last spoke. Words hang in the air, heavy with unspoken things. The clock ticks away, each second feels like eternity, waiting for you to say something real. Your message is a puzzle I can't solve. Every word hides another layer of mystery. I know this isn't right, but my heart beats faster when I hear from you. The distance fades, it's just us now, lost in this moment, no tomorrow. It's crazy how your voice brings me back. Every note echoes memories we made. Hearing you again makes me weak. I'm losing control. Let go. Never wanna say goodbye, but darling, you make it hard to be faithful with the touch of a stranger. I've been thinking about all the times we laughed, the way you looked at me so full of life. Now it's just shadows where there used to be a light. Everything changed in an instant. I try to push you out of my mind, but you're always there, haunting every thought I have. This feeling won't let me sleep. It's pulling me deeper into this endless night. I know this isn't right, but my heart beats faster when I hear from you. The distance fades, it's just us now, lost in this moment, no tomorrow. It's crazy how your voice brings me back. Every note echoes memories we made. Hearing you again makes me weak. I'm losing control. Let go. Never wanna say goodbye, but darling, you make it hard to be faithful with the touch of a stranger. I'm screaming inside, trying to hold on, but the walls are closing in. Every heartbeat screams your name. I can't fight this anymore. Let go. Let go. It's crazy how your voice brings me back. Every note echoes memories we made. Hearing you again makes me weak. I'm losing control. Let go. Never wanna say goodbye, but darling, you make it hard to be faithful with the touch of a stranger. With the touch of a stranger. Midnight whisper.